may be seated. Good evening, everyone, and we are going to begin our wonderful night with the moment of a ceremony in which Nina and Ramon wish to renew their marriage vows and to receive blessings from God on this very special anniversary in their lives. It's your wish to reaffirm your commitment to working together to make your marriage grow and blossom in the years to come. May this ceremony, renewing the vows you took to become husband and wife on your wedding day, remind you that despite the stresses inevitable in every life, your love, respect, trust, and understanding of each other will continue to increase your contentment and heighten your joy in living. Lena and Ramon have chosen to recite their own vows, and so we listen for their.
Mahal, when I married you 45 years ago, I hoped and prayed I chose the right man to spend the rest of my life with. Knowing now what my life with you is like, I would choose you again. What I like most about you is you allowed me to be me and supported me every step of the way to pursue my career, goal, and passions in life. You spoiled me every day and had my coffee ready as soon as I get out of bed while I was still working. Plus, you always let me have things my way, even if you don't agree. We certainly are opposite in many ways. I'm more of a type A and you're a type B. I see a glass half full and you half empty. I'm an extrovert, more friendly and outgoing. You're not. But we manage to complement each other's weaknesses and strengths, which made us stronger as a team and better equipped to face the ups and downs of our life together. Now as seniors and as part of aging process, we develop more aches, pains, and various health issues. But don't you worry, Mahal. Today, I renew my promise. In sickness and in health, I will always be by your side until death do us part.
I renew my vows to love you, be with you, and grow older with you. Together, we will tackle challenges and difficulties that will come our way, in the years ahead. I promise to be your partner today and always until death do us part.
never forget. Here we stand, the world awaits. We'll let the stars tonight light the way. Hand in hand, through light or rain. It's your constant love that gives me strength. Under the starlight, we'll find our way. I know this is the start of something beautiful. Ikaw ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya ako'y hagdan at yakapin. Oh, oh, oh. Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buhok ko. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi. Ikaw ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya ako'y hagdan at yakapin. Oh, oh, oh. Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buhok ko. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na. Ikaw ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya ako'y hagdan at yakapin. Oh, oh, oh. Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya